your ultimate source for all ERP solution. So today we will be talking about how to override controller method in ERPNext. So here in the ERPNext folder we have a controllers, and in controllers we have a taxes and total file which calculate the totals and taxes into the sales order, invoice and the purchase order. So for that, let me just open this file. Okay, and we will override this method compute net total which calculate the total. So now for that, in my custom application I just created one file, taxes and totals, and I just created my custom class, and I import that main class of controller here, and then I just override the method, and here I just used my custom logic and I just print some text. Okay, then after, here in the my application init file I just import the main class of controller, calculate taxes and totals, then I import my custom class. Okay, and then after, here in the source path I use the main class and the main class method name, and here I just use the custom calculate taxes totals which is my custom class, and my method name which is located into the custom class. So this way we can override the method. Now we will check the execution. So for that I will create the sales order, and sales order I will select the Chirag, my delivery date, and here I will select any of the product for example, and then here in the print statement we will check. So once we will click on the save button, it will calculate my custom logic, and here it will, we can see that it shows the print statement. So basically here in the init file we can override controller method using this code. So thanks for watching a video, and please share, like, subscribe for stay updated. Thank you.